Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news as it breaks. Breaking news, yes, and events happening
to our youths.
Generally all around the world. So
if we are going to invest in their future,
the subscribe button to get notification each time we
to
post,
bring about success, progress, and development.
Okay? Stay glued to this channel.
They need to hear from us that there is need for mindset, changes of mindset. Yes, I listened to the governor's argument on some issues of NNDC and others. I read it. I read your reaction. And it's not lost. What is fair is fair. But biting the change is necessary for us to build understanding, tolerance. It's a give and take situation. Our children today are every day anxious to get rich. But we just have to counsel them again and again. I implore all of you to put your hand on the deck for driving this nation, protecting it, protecting our investment. It's not every time you will have a fair deal, but with tolerance, patience and perseverance, determination, and prayers. Nigeria is not in position to be poor. We will swim the tide. Somewhere, in the eye of the storm, there is a quiet, restful, peaceful place. And we are going to ride the storm. We are going to arrive at that quiet, peaceful place. We are not lazy people. We are not. Very hardworking, richly endowed, but we